These are a few books, a few more books from my collection. Best books. So, fairy tales. Let me show. Apple Tales for All Time. These are storybooks. See. Moral picture book. These are best books, best toddler books. Tom Thumb, Blackie and the Red Ribbon, my first ABC book. These are best toddler books. Picture dictionary. Alphabet book. This is conversation. My big book of play and learn. My first picture dictionary. This is my second book of English.